Hello everybody, welcome to astraeakeva. This is Ayo. In today's drawing, I'm doing another painting study of hands, and in this painting study I'm mostly focusing on the color rather than the anatomy, because I've been studying a lot of anatomy studies lately and I felt as though I was neglecting my painting studies. So that's kind of why I've been studying color theory and shading and all of that. So I wanted to apply what I learned and what I studied in this particular painting. I only painted the top panel, not the other ones, but yeah, I'll do them with time. But yes, I always start off with the construction of the hand. I'm not really focused on doing perfect line art because I will just paint it over later. But using the overall silhouette is quite helpful to get the overall shape and how it would look without lines. That's kind of what I was looking at when I was painting. The entire process took me roughly around an hour and a half. But yes, it was great. So yeah, that's basically what I did. There isn't anything complicated about it. Majority of what us artists go through it's mostly about trying to figure out what we're supposed to do and trying to figure out how the art piece that we're trying to create, how do we construct it, render it, perfect it until it's kind of good enough to look at. So I found out personally for myself that I used to get frustrated with myself because it didn't look the way that I wanted, but I never came to the conclusion that all I need to do is keep rendering until it gets to the place that I want it to be. So that's sort of my mindset as I do art lately. But yes, the study's quite fun. The hand that's on top is supposed to be a reflection of the hand that's in front, so it's kind of like a mirror. All of it was just trying to figure out where the nails fit, where the hand is. She has long hair nails, so and I always trust my intuition. So my gut always tells me something feels off, or you should fix this, something should be fixed, and so with that intuition and with my gut feeling, I keep going. But yes, I will put up a full tutorial video of my painting studies, of my how to draw various body parts and stuff on my Patreon. And also, even if I don't put up the studies, I'm going to put my PSD files on my Patreon. I'm still setting up my Patreon, so yeah. When you look at this hand, yeah, it's I don't think it's perfect, but slowly but surely you get the hang of things. It's all intuition. Does it seem right? Does it not seem right? But yeah. Well, that's all for today's video. I only have a minute left in my video, but that was all. I did a quick study and more studies to come. I'm still working on a few of my semi-realism drawings. So for those will be up soon. They take a lot of time, more time than just drawing and all of that. So it'll be up soon. So I'll just focus on perfecting my craft. I hope you guys do the same as well. But anyway, that's all for today's video. If you like it, please give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment below about your thoughts and anything that you would like me to paint in the future. So thank you very much, guys, for watching. I hope you guys have a great day. Bye.